From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Friday. I'm student meteorologist Christian Spallone here with a look at your Friday afternoon Campus Weather Service forecast. And we have some wintry weather on tap for later today and to start the weekend across the Keystone State. Starting off with a live look over Beaver Stadium. Really can't tell that any inclement weather is on the way. Gorgeous sunny skies, kind of the calm before the storm right now. But it is quite chilly outside. Definitely an Arctic air mass beginning to settle in across the region at the freezing mark right now. Feels like 21, however. We have strong wind gusts coming out of the west-northwest at the moment. This is driving down those temperatures and making it feel quite chilly as you step outside throughout this afternoon. Current wind speeds, you can see these gusty winds coming out of the northwest. 16 right now. These are sustained winds in State College. Gusts around 30 miles per hour at the moment. We actually just had a wind advisory expire across the region and continuing up through the Laurel Highlands and portions of northeastern Pennsylvania. This is driving chillier conditions across the state. In central Pennsylvania, you can see down across the teens for your feels-like temperatures in Johnstown and the Laurel Highlands, and zooming out across the rest of the state. We can see across the northern tier right now, you're stuck in the 20s with feels-like conditions in the lower teens. So warm spots down across the southeastern corner of the state down in Philadelphia where you're up at 40, but feels-like conditions still around the freezing mark. So the big weather story today is we're expecting some snow to come in throughout the evening hours. Right now with your radar and satellite, you just see a couple snow showers lingering coming off of the lakes across northern Pennsylvania and the Northwest Plateau. But zooming out across the region, we begin to see what's going to be moving into our area quite soon. We see this Clipper system, which has trended a little bit farther to the north in a lot of the modeling systems over the past day or so. So this is going to be bringing snowfall to much of the state, especially the southern half of the state, as we head into this evening and throughout the rest of tonight into early Saturday. So this is going to move east, and we can go through and look at our winter weather alerts now. We can see as this system advances, we're expecting, we have a winter storm watch in place for areas of Pennsylvania, generally south of the PA Turnpike, and a winter weather advisory just to the north and extending east into southeastern Pennsylvania. This may creep north a little bit more. We'll see how the alerts evolve throughout the day, but your heaviest total is expected across that southern third of the state. Our day planner for the rest of the day, we can see generally increasing cloud cover, rising temperatures, a little bit above the freezing mark here, and then we'll see slowly decreasing tonight, plenty cold enough, and we'll see snow begin by the time we get to around the 7 to 9 p.m. hour tonight. So we'll time it out for you hour by hour now and go into the future. So starting off this evening, we see some snow showers begin to creep into western Pennsylvania. So continue to overspread the state and really take over much of the state. You see temperatures in the 20s at this point. So plenty supportive for that snowfall. This will push through and really gets out of the area by the time we get to around 7 a.m. tomorrow. And by the time that snowfall scoots out of the region, we're beginning to see clearing skies. So the snowfall comes in at a decent time, especially for travel impacts at night. But if you are out, especially this evening, make sure to be careful as it's going to get slick quite quickly. Chilly tomorrow, gusty northwest winds with a couple scattered snow showers possible at times under partly cloudy skies. So total snowfall from this event generally could see anywhere from 3 to 6 inches across the southern tier of the state, extending into portions of southeastern Pennsylvania. Jackpot area likely over the Laurel Highlands, where some areas could see a little bit over 6 inches. So our forecast for today in State College, again, increasing clouds, high around 36, and evening snow showers building into the area with those gusty winds gradually subsiding throughout the day. And that sets up a snowy night, steady snow, really a nice winter wonderland across many areas of the state, especially south and southeast. So steady snow and some lighter winds tonight as that snow comes down. And for tomorrow to start the weekend, a chilly, very Arctic, wintry day, lingering snow showers throughout the day, on and off and scattered, with gusty winds picking up again out of the northwest. And finally now your 7-day forecast for the State College area. That evening snow today, lingering tomorrow, and then we gradually begin to warm up as we start next week. More clouds linger on Sunday, but I think we begin to see some clearing and a really nice day on Monday. And then building clouds again as we head into the middle of next week, but those temperatures rising up near the 50-degree mark with the chance of showers by the time we get to next Thursday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Christian Spallone. Have a great day.